Good morning, everyone. Um, I noticed that I haven't been vlogging or even making videos in a long while. Well, there's a simple reason because that. Because this guy right here, this one, this old dude, has decided to quit on me. Guess what I'm gonna eat? These white beauties, eggs. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, talking to you, man. Punch you. Cherry just made my screen dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna make some eggs, and I'm gonna eat it with some coffee. That's the only bad habit about me. I like coffee and cigarettes and alcohol. Wow, I'm a really sick person, I understand. But yeah, let me grab a plate. I'm gonna teach you guys something I don't know much. I don't know if some of you don't know how to do it, but it's something that I like to do sometimes. Okay, grab a plate like this, bang. Grab your weights, this, and this. Bang, bang, boom. 2 eggs. Break it, crush it. No, you peel it off, of course. Can't eat shells. The most annoying thing is peeling it out. So I'm gonna make this thing go faster, okay? So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1. 1. Okay, now we're Yep. Now, this is mayonnaise. Regular? With regular it tastes better. I like it like this. Now, got that. You grab a fork. A fork. What's the fork? This is a fork. Yeah. Now, you got these 2 ingredients. You can use salt, but I don't like this salt because it's sodium. It's not the kind of salt that at least I can put a little bit healthy stuff. So I put some sea salt. I actually like this one because it has the grinder, so it doesn't come in really big pellets into things. So this is something really good. Now you open the mayonnaise like this. Oh, and then we'll get your pepper. Never forget it. You see? Now, if you see this really not fit all these that's good. Don't add those noodles. Keep that in there. You have to get that yellow so. This is how that has to be. Now, you put your ingredients on it. Salt. Salt. Here, right. Not too much salt, very happy. Now, people usually, I know some people that I gave this recipe to, usually they just leave it like that, but you know that there is a lot of salt and pepper up there, so you actually gotta mix it up. You gotta like throw it all around in there, make it look like totally awesome. There you go. Now, people that really love coffee, and those that don't, you can fast forward right here, right now, because I'm gonna give you guys a really good coffee. This is the coffee I use. It's called Mocha Coffee Pads. It's actually Dutch. Actually, I am Dutch. My family is from Holland, so it's really good. And I'm telling you that this coffee is good. And also it comes in these packets. In these packets, So you just pour it in your cup like so. You grab a cup. Here's a cup. You put it in. Bam. And you pour the water in. But sometimes I really don't like to do it like this. But I'm gonna do it like this today because in a few days my girlfriend is gonna come from Curacao, which is gonna be awesome because I'm gonna meet my girlfriend. Actually, I met her. I actually didn't ever see her. I only saw her since Mavo. Was actually my best friend since Mavo, and we just were talking. Since I actually liked her in Mavo, and Mavo is actually like high school. That's what. Sorry, I forgot. I'm talking to a few people that's from America too. But yeah, that is how it is. We were friends. I actually liked her, but I didn't know. I wasn't actually the kind of guy to go hit on a girl that I didn't see until now. Well, now that I got a girlfriend, I can't do much. Fuck being sick. But yeah, but she was actually really kind, really nice, one of the bestest friends I ever had. But now she's one of the bestest girlfriend I ever had, and I'm gonna meet her. She's actually gonna come for my birthday, so it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna go to Palm Island. Palm Island is actually an Arubian attraction, this water park stuff like that, and it's really cool. It's really cool. So I'm gonna have some fun with her. I'm gonna have some fun with my bro. He is actually the guy that he actually doesn't edit these videos. I edit my own videos. He just has another channel, Kulen Werleman. Actually, that's his channel, but he also joins my channel. So it's like P-Team Nation is like a two people's thing. Actually, we're gonna make more people. Man, what the fuck? I'm talking papiamento here. Like my girlfriend is also gonna join the P-Team Nation. I have a few of my sisters, like best friends. Sisters. I'm watching some good anime. A new one, Cousin of Stigma, which is awesome. You guys should watch it. It's really cool. It's about this guy. I don't remember his name, but he got kicked out of a clan because he can't use fire. But I didn't see much of the anime yet, but I guess he instead of being able to use fire, he made a contract with wind god, I think, and now he can use wind, and they call him the contractor because the wind he's using is godlike. But you guys just should watch it. Trust me, it's gonna be awesome. But for now, I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and I don't want you guys to see me eat breakfast. It's gonna be weird. I'm like, hey, what you looking at? But I'm gonna see you guys later, and I'm gonna drink some coffee. Son of a bitch! That was hot. But I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.